Hey guys, good morning. It's your girl Beauty Fit Desi. Welcome back to my channel. So we are in the airport. It's very, very early. It's like what time is it? It's 5:41 and we didn't get any sleep at all. We slept for an hour. Stayed up the whole time. So we're very tired, but we're about to check our luggage and then
And we approve this message.
yes, I like the energy. Good vibes first thing in the morning. I love it. All right guys, so we're gonna check our luggage and we'll be back when we get through the gates. Bye. Okay guys, so we got through TSA and we are currently walking through the airport trying to get to our gate, which is really, really far. I think we're gonna get some food. Well, I know we're about to get some food and just chill out by the gate until it's time to board. The sun is rising, guys. Look, it's pretty. A puppy! Look guys, a doggy.
You have confirmed that your aircraft today has been cleaned and set.
So Jeffrey just made me get off of the vlog so that he could give me a birthday present. And he got me a card, number one, which was extremely sentimental. But then he bought me some AirPods, the AirPods Pro. TSA messed it up for it because when we went through TSA, they made him take it out of his bag. So I was like, dang. He went to go get us food. He went to go get some Dunkin' Donuts because they have the Impossible Patty. You guys don't probably know this, but Jeffrey's vegan too. So he went to go get us some vegan food. We are getting set up.
What time do you want to
Like 10 o'clock their time. Jeffrey got me an iced macchiato, caramel, with almond milk, of course, and some bagels. So we are on our plane. We're seated nice and comfortably. Everything is good. Everything is good.
No problem.
Dunkin' Donuts coffee, the sugar is always like all the way at the bottom. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go. Next time you guys see us, we will be
Look, guys.
in
Los Angeles. Somewhere.
Hey guys, so we landed and now we are in our shuttle to go to the rent-a-car situation and pick up our vehicle so we can skirt all throughout the town. Guys, so we just had this whole fiasco. Yo, if my makeup is messed up, guys, just know it don't look that bad. Okay. There was this whole fiasco here at the rent-a-car place because they didn't have a car for us that we really like. Guys, all they had was like Volvo. I'm not driving no Volvo. We had to wait. They were trying to offer us the BMW X1. We was like, no. I wanted the Range Rover. I was like, okay, so give me the Range. It was like, we can't give you the Range for free. It's like $100 upgrade. I was like, wow. But because we was patient, we was able to wait and we was able to get the BMW. The Benz, because one just happened to pull in. So we ended up getting it. Ow. All right, guys, so we just got to the hotel. We are about to go check into our room and go check it out or whatever. The bellman has our luggage, so I guess whenever he gets there, we will change our clothes and take a shower. It's right here, baby.
You see it?
It says the name. Hey guys, so we We're about to leave.
Coffee?
Okay. We're about to leave, guys.
What's on your neck?
This?
Yeah. This.
Why are you trying to take down my thing? I don't know.
Let me see. It's here too.
That's not that. Ow!
Let me take it off.
No.
It's just wrong, dude. Maybe just take it off. Or no? You gonna leave it in?
We are actually about to go to this mall thing because this is a crazy story. So I ordered these shoes from Steve Madden in New York, and they were supposed to be delivering them to me overnight, right? Turns out that the store never shipped them, and they tried to blame it on FedEx. FedEx lost your package, like BS. FedEx ain't, look at my makeup, it looks so good. But FedEx ain't lose my package, y'all just never ship my stuff. So it was just a coincidence that the one pair of shoes that they had left is in Los Angeles. So I was like, oh, so we could just pick it up there. So they called the store, and the store has been holding it for me, the shoes, for like the last 2 days. So I'm about to go pick it up now so I can have them for tomorrow. And yeah, that's really it, guys. So we're about to go downstairs in the car and go hit the town. Like, you go through all of this work of painting your whole face, then you gotta put a whole mask on. It's so annoying. Nah, I killed this makeup look. It looks so pretty. I was trying so hard to do that like LA makeup, like flawless skin, very neutral in colors, and like a little bit of a glow, but not too much. Cause you know they bougie out here. So.
You're in charge of the music.
Okay. So we're at the mall, guys. I'm picking up my birthday shoes now from the Steve Madden store. Can you imagine if they don't have it? I wouldn't be surprised. Like if they was like, oh, there was a misunderstanding, I wouldn't even be mad. I would just be like, all right. Thank you.
It was a Zero Black multi-size 9, right?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Of course, have a great night.
You too. Yay. That was fast. So guys, we are at dinner now. This is our appetizer. We got some marinated chickpeas. Comes with a tortilla, and I got some mint tea because it's really cold outside. You guys see there's the heater. Hey guys, it's your girl Beauty Fit Desi, and today is my birthday. Hey guys, so we are at the restaurant, about to go get, you can't even see it because our truck's in the way. Okay guys, so I got the crepe. It's like a strawberry crepe situation, some coffee, and babe got French toast. And this crepe is really good. I actually kind of forgot about you guys and just started eating it because I was so hungry, but it's delicious. Guys, our food was so good, like everything was so good. So we ended up getting dessert. We're gonna have the tres leches cake. It's not really giving tres leches. It is, but every time I've ever had it, it's always had like the milk on the bottom, and then you can like soak it in it, and then it's just extra moist. This is kind of dry. We are at Runyon's. The view is really nice. It's good weather today. The last time I came to Runyon's, it was like in April, So it was a little bit warmer and hotter than it is today. And the weather feels great actually. It's like perfect fall. Just chill. It's nice and sunny, it's beautiful. But I'm loving it. I'm gonna show y'all the view.
Later.
Guys, our car got towed. Wah, wah, wah. We are here outside of Rains Canyon. This is just a very small parking area and our car's going. So we're waiting on an Uber by the side of the road. This is ghetto. Y'all, we just ordered so much food from this place called Solely Vegan. Like, look at all the stuff that we about to eat. Oh my god. What? Yo. Guys, this food is so good. I feel like I've been saying that ever since we got here. A fried dunked in the grits. I'm gonna say this for the telly. Hey guys, it's your girl Beautiful Desi, and we are at dinner. So it's my birthday, as you guys all know, and we're about to eat. Okay, bye. Jeffrey just left. Look at him; he's walking away. I don't know where he went. What he's about to do, but so yeah guys, we're about to eat dinner. It's gonna be really good. I've been to this place before. It's not the first time, so I know that the food is cool. It's like 9 o'clock here, so even though it's quarantine, there's no curfew in California as of right now. It starts tomorrow. That's so crazy. So we're good. It's like 9 o'clock and we're good. We're waiting to order our food now. Hey guys, so I ended up getting the black lasagna, and babe got a pizza with like Italian sausage and everything. So it's really good. We're gonna eat now. It looks so good. What are the green things?
Yo.
Oh.
She doesn't stop. Just finished one plate.
Stop.
My metabolism is different. Wow.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Aww. Wow, babe.
Yay. Happy birthday.
Thanks, babe. Aww. Wow, it's a beautiful day. Sun is shining. It's our last day, guys, in California. We are packing up the car because our flight is later on tonight, but we're dressed for the day. You want to drive? Do I have my mask or you have my mask? It's beautiful outside today. We're to mommy. Today we're gonna go like sightseeing and stuff, like just do a whole bunch of stuff that we can do in the daytime, walk around while it's nice. I in particular want to go to Rodeo Drive. So I want to go walk around there, take some flicks. Babe, I don't know where he specifically wants to go, but where you want to go?
I don't know, babe. We're going to the beach, no?
Yeah, we can go there. Yeah. So now we're gonna go to the beach. And it's so beautiful out here. So clean. And there's so many dogs. It's the aesthetic for me. It's the white for me. It's so cute. Wow, look, babe.
Hey, take a picture.
Yo, Rodeo Drive is so fun. I went to the MTM store and it was so much fun. The guy was so nice. We was chatting and he was telling us that he's from New York too, but he lives here. So it was cool. Now we're hungry. We're about to go eat something again. Then we're gonna head towards the beach. Alright guys, we're finally having like actual breakfast. Like this is like, well no, we ate this morning at the hotel, our leftovers, but now we're finally eating again. So I got the pancake waffles with vegan sausage, tofu, and hash browns. And babe got the French toast again. He really liked that. Hey guys, so we are at Venice Beach right now. Just walking around. Look at the puppies! I'm at the airport. We're about to leave to go back home to New York. And I'm trying to find us some food, but we're taking the last flight of the night. So everything is like closed in the airport. Like literally nobody is here. But I'm gonna try to order us some food because this is gonna be pretty much all the food we'll have until we get home. So wish me luck. Jeffrey likes this one. And I like this one. Guys, our flight is not for another like hour and a half. I am so tired. So I think we're about to just post. We found a really good spot, like away from everybody. Everybody's over there. So I think I'm about to just take a nap. Jeffrey went to go get some food because he didn't like the stuff that I found. He said that it was just like snacks, which it kind of is. So he's gonna go get us some french fries. I'm super tired, guys. I'm definitely gonna sleep on the plane. Hey guys, we arrived in New York. We're back home and we are tired. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning and we are going to go home. Thank God we made it safe. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll catch you guys on the next one.